In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the maximum volume on your iPhone. First, launch your settings. Now scroll and navigate to the option sound and haptics. Use this ringtone and alert slider to boost the overall sound output. Make sure change with buttons is toggled on so you can adjust volume manually with the side buttons. Now you can head back to the main page of settings, scroll down and tap on the option apps. From the list of apps, find Music. After it appears, launch it. In the audio section, tap EQ and select the option with the most bass. This makes your music loud and fuller. Still in music settings, scroll down and turn off sound check. This stops iOS from automatically leveling audio, letting your music play at its natural maximum volume. Now head back to the main page of settings. Again, head over to the option sound and haptics. Now scroll and navigate to the option headphone safety. Toggle off for the option reduce loud sounds. This increases the maximum volume when listening through headphones, and that's it. Now your iPhone will play music and media louder than before. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.